Oh, thank you, Go Flow. Oh, thanks, my productions. Oh, lolo. Aibo. Oh, lolo. Guys, ngisho ngashonelwa i-channel. You understand? Ngisho ngashonelwa i-channel, guys. Molweni namkelekile nongegwezitshizebe entertainment. Mamelani ke guys, izingane zesithembu usivile utata uMusa Mseleku umthombeni. Awu siyabulela tata usivile into basiyakhala. Hayibo sikhathele ngolondi abasinika i-good for nothing reality TV shows wathi jonga. Ndizawubuyisa ke mna ke izingane zesithembu the real novela on the 20th of August 2026 and ke ndizawunibhansela because xa sezibuya izingane zizoba nee-episodes ezinjani eziyi-2 per week. We understand ayisentle guys itrailer yabo. Hayibo wamhle uSime Mseleku. Hayibo guys, what a beautiful trailer. Now of course a lot of people have been giving credit to the one and only Avongo Mseleku, who was named as the co-producer alongside ke udarakhe ekungu Musa Mseleku. So they are saying kuyabonakala mos into ba ingathi there is a fresh mind, kukhona umuntu owayicingisisa lento, and this is the best trailer they have ever given us as ke abakwamthombeni. Now of course guys, unfortunately ke uLwandle Mseleku siyambona, however asimboni umuntu wakhe ubaby mama wakhe. People are asking intoba why is Kwezi not a part of it? Ithini into kaLwandle? uLwandle cannot come back ephaca. Lwandle sifuna ukukubona nomuntu wakho. Why is Kwezi not there? Because kaloku this was going to be the perfect combination, uKwezi as well as uTirelo. Hayi bezizobandala zombini. Usenza ntoni Lwandle? Also people are saying hayi ke umpilo ufuneke sibone something kaloku noba i-boyfriend yana ijongo something, baby girl, just give us something. But however, what most people are looking forward to is the fact that ke they have added ke abantwana ababancinci, uThando, umnini, Mawande, as well as Owami. So nje izingane zesithembu this season, it does seem as though kusazoba mnandi guys. So anyways, we're looking forward also to a drama kaMpumelelo Isithembu saMpumelelo, obviously ke guys. But ke what are your thoughts on the trailer? Ndiyacela masike si-engagane down on the comments, and ngizonibona shortly guys. I'm so excited. Good night guys.